What's happening, everybody? Bass Presidente here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the $30 Walmart fishing challenge. I'll see you over in the fishing aisle. Alright fellas, here's the fishing aisle. Let's see what we can pull off today. Oh yeah, we got a lot of selection. Remember, only $30. Let's do it. Like I said, we have only $30 to spend on baits, but with those baits, we have to catch at least 5 fish. So that's the challenge. All right, enough yapping. Let's get right to buying. All right, so I'm thinking maybe some spinners. I'm really liking this guy here. Get that. So that is $3.97. All right, let's put it here. All right. Now the next bait, we got a spinner. I want to give it like a little variety, so we're not gonna get another spinner. We're gonna get a. Let me think here. Let me think. What should I try? What should I do? There's crankbaits. There's a whopper plopper. There's Opalas. I'm thinking right now. I don't know what to do. This challenge is so hard. Anyway, I really like this guy here. 628. We'll take him. And we're in New Jersey, so of course we got that BS sales tax. So we gotta kind of keep that in mind. I think I'm gonna go under 30 just to be safe. So we got. All right, we gotta go over here. We got a lipless crankbait. We're gonna get now a just kind of thinking here. Give a little spinner bait, so do that. So we got lipless crankbait, a spinner, and a spinner bait. Let's keep going here. Now, oh yeah, swim bait maybe we'll do. We'll do this guy here. So, all right. And I think we have room for, I guess I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna do 2 more because I gotta keep in mind I got sales tax I gotta deal with. What should I get? All right, let's see what we got. Some Yamato baits. Let's see what we can pick today. Now we got some flukes. I want a unique color. To work with here. I have most of these, but I just don't know what I'm gonna throw. Oh yeah, this is what we're looking for right here. Some jigs. Rigged twirl tails. What else should we get? Let's put this in the cart. Alright, we got a solid selection. We're gonna get one more bait. And then we're gonna go to the register and see what it comes to. And if it goes over, we're gonna have to sacrifice one. Oh yeah, I see exactly what we're getting. We're gonna get the Panther Martin right here. Look at that bad boy. The bass are gonna love this. All right, let's go to the register and see if we hit $30, got close to it, or went over. We'll see. Guys, we almost hit it. All right, guys. Came to $29.39. So what we're gonna do now with these lures, we're gonna try to catch at least 5 fish, hopefully. All right, guys, see you at the fishing spot. All right, guys, we made it to the spot. We're gonna start off with this little jig right here that we bought in Walmart. Let's see if they want it. And the goal is to catch 5 fish with any one of these lures. But ah, sun had it there for a second. That was quick. At least we got a bite. And it back out. Ah, son just went for it. It's right over here. Come back. I'm like setting the hook too early. Maybe I should wait a couple seconds and give it a... And there's a fish right there. What is this? Oh, beautiful perch, beautiful perch. Let's get up here. Beautiful perch, beautiful perch. That is a nice fish right there. That is a nice fish right here. That was a fighter. Nope. Nope. Let me get you, all right? Open your mouth. Thank you so much. Look at that, guys. Got a nice perch on this little jig. Let's send you back. All right. Back nice and safe. Let's keep going. All right, guys. Change it up to the spinner. The spinner that we bought at the Walmart. Let's see what we can do. I had a hit there. Oh, I had a really big hit there. Oh, nice whack there, fellas. Oh, come on. We had him there. That was a nice whack, too. I believe that was a pickerel there that took it. Kind of saw it from the distance. It hit like a pickerel. Sun's right there. There's a fish. Come on, stay glued. Cooperate with me, all right? All right. Come on over. And it's another perch. Is this the same one we caught earlier? Looks to be the same size. Whoa, relax. All right, open your mouth. Let me, so I can hold you properly. All right, there we, dude. Cooperate with me, please. Cooperate with me. Behave yourself, come on. All right, there we go. Hooks out. Actually, looks a little smaller. I don't know. But I don't know if this is the same fish we caught earlier. But we know that they're biting though, so that was good. All right, I'm gonna send you back. I don't know, we're not catching bass, but we're catching perch. That's cool. Something different. All right, guys, we switched to the swim bait. I'm gonna hope a big boy takes it. Let's see what we can do. Keep our fingers crossed here. Is that a fish? Or do we get caught on weeds? Yeah. We caught the salad bar. All right, we got it off. Whoa. Not expecting that. It broke right here at the reel. All right, guys, we lost that swim bait. I mean, I got more, but it's too heavy for this rod, and that's the only thing I brought today. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw the spinner bait now. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the $30 Walmart fishing challenge. The goal was to catch 5, but I managed to catch 2 perch and I missed a bunch. And this is really all I have time to fish right now, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.